Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be assembling this 1/100 Trailblazer Integrated Tactical Assault Squad. Big shout out and special thanks to Gundam Hangar for the collaboration. Gundam Hangar is an online store that offers nationwide shipping across Canada with a reasonable flat rate shipping fee, and free delivery is provided for most GTA areas on purchases over $150. And good news to all of you in the States, they start shipping to US now. I've posted the link in my description below. You can transform this into different members by swapping the face and antenna. I love how non-Bandai brands are generous and always include water decals and an action base. This kit comes with a special poster. This 1/100 kit stands at 19 cm tall, and its backpack looks like Freedom's railgun. Many have said that it's heavily influenced by Seed. What do you think? These metallic stickers are not my favorite. They are too thick and low quality. This kit you begin assembling with beam submachine, heat saber, and backpack. I'm amazed with all these undergated runners. The knobs are all hidden, and you barely have to sand anything. I have to say some joints are quite tight, but I prefer tight joints than the loose one, because only tight joints can support the pose, especially when the rifle and backpack are pretty heavy. If you want to know how to fix tight joints, I just sand down the peg, but be careful not to sand too much or it will become too loose. For this kit, I only use my long pliers to snap the tight-fitting joints. As I mentioned before, this kit comes with two faces, but I wish the menu could explain more about it. I don't even know which is which by looking at these. I was pretty confused when I built. I just picked whatever that looks better. This is just a strict build, but I feel like panel line is necessary to bring up the details. Thanks for watching today, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content. Your feedback is always appreciated, so feel free to drop a comment below. Take care and see you in the next one.